Hello guys, so welcome to my Minecraft video, and here today I am going to play this world, and the world name is the Elevation 2. So Elevation 2, so it is like the parkour map. So let's get started. So again, no changes in the settings. So however, in the parkour we can cheat by setting it to creative Krishna. Elevation 2 parkour map world. So let's get started. So we have the map room, the info, and the Hall of Fame. Okay, so let's go to the info first to see the rules. There are the rules, the info, and plans for Elevation 2. Info, even it's written here, the info and info, it's written in the middle. So we have the rules. Don't play this map on betas. Don't use cheats, and rules have fun. Okay, so we have the information. Oops, can't press it. Information. Twitter, Real Choco Games, Instagram, Tibernet Choco, I don't know how to pronounce this, and YouTube Choco Gamers. And plans for Elevation 2, press the button. Plans Temple 2.0, the lab, and the fandoms. Oh, okay, so we have the Hall of Fame. Let's go and see what's here. Oh, nothing. So let's go to the map room. And what is this? Under construction. Oh, coming soon, Temple 2.0. We have the Blizzard and the factory and the dimensions, and coming soon, Undertale. Under construction also. So we should choose one. Maybe we'll go for a Blizzard. Press the button. Blizzard. Okay, so we should go here. It's like a parkour again. So, oops, fell down again. So go here. Crouching is way easier. That way you will never fall out of the parkour. Come on. Why can't you just jump here? Oh no. No! Why I kept always failing? This is so hard. Crouch. You will never fall out. Crouch! Yes! I crouched. Crouch over here? No, it's not crouching. Go here? Oh no. Let me just go again. No. And go here. Okay. Crouch. Go here. Okay. Crouch here. Just we can look at the ground. That way we'll see where we are going. Yes, oops. Okay, so just go here. No. Yes. Did it? So go and okay. So go here. Oh, almost fell in the snow. Oh, and even it's snowing. You can look at the snowballs. It's like it's Christmas, I think. No. Again. Why is this map created? The Elevation 2. It's like I cannot get out. Huh? Go here. Okay. Go here. Okay. Jump onto here. Yes. And then go. Jump onto here. Oh, why failed? This is like a high jump parkour. I'm going to cut this video off. So this video is about to be longer, and I don't want it to be longer. And go here. And why? Why is this happening? Go here. This game is so hard. Why? Just go here. Oh my god. This map is so terribly hard. You see, I kept falling. It never lets me reach the finish point. I think they're all evil. I think they're all like very just like to crane long jumps so that I can just easily fail. But it's like it's mostly sometimes people may fall down, but if you crouch you won't fall. As you can see, I crouch here. This never happens. Go here. Okay, crouch, and we can crouch here. Crouch. Okay, just crouch here. Okay, just crouch here. Okay, How about I jump and crouch? Let's see if it works good. Okay, so and go here. Okay. Go here. You crouch. Yes! Did it! Why I accidentally just moved to the left? Just because I thought there was it was in the corner. Okay, go here. And you know what? I'm going to cut this off. I think this is never going to work. See, look, this is the much more hardest thing than ever. Go here. We should not fail. Oh, I made it up. I think we are nailing it. But we did not nail it, which is very bad. You see, I'm failing again. They kept making long jumps. Those map creators. Go here and here. Why? Oh, this is so hard. Why they kept creating such hard maps so that we can fail or what? Huh? Oh, I'm getting frustrated. But no, but I'm not upset. I'm not really upset. No, I'm not so upset. No, again, I'm not so upset. I should stop repeating this again. Okay, go here and here. No. Yes, here. Good. And we can go here. You know what, guys? I'm just going to cut this video off. Okay, guys, I just completed a parkour. I've cut this out, and because you don't want to see it, because I kept failing so many times that I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so let's continue with it. Also, again, you don't want to see me completing this parkour for too long. Okay, so go here. What? Stage 2, scenic route. Okay, so go here. We have the ladders again. We failed. I don't know how much time. Now, how many times you're gonna fail? Oh, this is so hard. This is so. Okay. Go here. We can crouch, right? Crouching is the. Oh no. Failed again. I wish this map was not so harder than enough. I wish it was not. See, I failed. But you know, I just set this to creative also. I should mention that. I also set this to creative because I can fly. I can cheat, you know. Good. We are back here. Oh no, more ladder. Oh my god. Yes, we did it. Now let's go here. Good. Stage 3 to the summit. Okay, so we can go here and here. Go here. Go and here. Go and here. We are doing great in progress. Yes! I've completed it. I've completed this parkour. That's cool. Press the button. Congratulations. You completed Blizzard. Woohoo! Yes, I completed it. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Dimensions. Oh, not the one. We have finished the Blizzard. Oh, I forgot to read this. What? Difficulty hard. Playtime 10 minus 15 minutes and stages 3. See? I told you guys, this is so hard. Made by Real Choco Games. Okay, so we have the factory. Difficulty medium. Playtime 5 minus 10 minutes. Stages 2. Made by Real Choco Gamers. I just wanted to complete everything. But that video might be too long. What? Factory. Let's go here. Oops, failed again. Factory, crouch. Crouching makes you not fall out. Again I failed. Go here. Yes, digit. No, that's not fair. Unfair it is. Yes, did it. Now we just need to crouch. Oops, accidentally placed top snow. Never works at all. Go parkour here. I'm not really a parkour king, you know. No, every time whenever I did it, I kept falling on the another one. Okay, so we got the iron bars to do. Okay, so we must go here. Oops, that I'm in the way of the iron bars. Oops, again I fell. This should never be hard, but it is so hard. See, I'm falling down. It's hard to get onto here. This stage is so hard, you know. This stage is so hard. But it's okay. Let me just go here. This is medium, meaning is it so hard? Again, I'm falling. Okay, so go here. Stage 2, desperate measures. Oops, not again. Go here again, okay. Then please, 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 please. Yes! Go here. We're almost doing great. No, that's not really good. No, go here. Okay, we got another one here and here. Go here. Press the button. Congratulations, you completed factory. Oh wow, that's cool. Okay, that's the factory complete. What dimensions? Oh, another hard one. Difficulty hard. Playtime 50 minus 20 minutes. Stages 5 made by Real Choco Games. There's no easy dimension. I mean, there are no difficulties. It's written dimensions. Okay. You're on the nether bricks. You know, I should fly. Maybe I can't see. Okay, I've completed a parkour. That's the most hardest parkour. Stage 2, the end. Okay, so this means that's the end. This is the final diamond. This is the final one. Go here. It's the last of this one. That's cool. Go. Oops. Oh, sorry. Go again. What? Go here. And here. We can go here. We can go. Oops, I failed again. Go here and here, and we can go here. Cool. I fell. I did not fall down. What stage for? I can't see. Stage. What stage 3? The void. I can't see in the black. Oh, so this floor is fully black. Oops, sorry. Go here again and here. How much time? Oh, 11. This video is about to be long. Long. Okay, we are almost doing very great. Okay, we did triple jump. Not a triple jump. Maybe called like you go and you are about to fall, but you are still in the block. So go here. Stage 4, the Eider. Oh no, there's a lot. Stage 4, the Eider. I don't know why they kept lots of stages. Which is the stage 4, the Eider. Is this going to be the final? Oh, please, please, please. This is going to. I hope this is going to be the final one. Crouch here. Crouch here. Crouch. No, jump. Why are you not even jumping? Okay, yes, here. Oh my god, it's not even the final. You gotta be kidding me. You know, you should be joking me. As if you wanted me to never complete this, huh? My god, this video is about to be long now. Oh, we are about to go here. Yes! Press the button. Congratulations, you completed dimensions. Yes! That's cool. Okay guys, that's the end of my Elevation 2 Parkour World. So, oh, and before that, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm going to see you with all of my Minecraft videos, new videos, and one of my most latest videos that I'm going to be posting some days, and goodies and stuffs and videos. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Did I say videos twice? I hope I didn't. So oh, and before that, if you want to check out my parkour games playlist, the Minecraft parkour games word playlist, you can find a link to my playlist in the description down below. Here you will find loads of videos. You can watch all of my videos and you can do it by your own self. So the Minecraft parkour playlist is in the description down below. The link is given below. Okay, so bye.